Good morning, my dear students. A very warm welcome to you all in today's maths class. My dear students, in today's class, we will know about the greater and the smaller number. Greater and the smaller number. Okay, and we will do it with the signs of comparison. We have these three signs for comparison of numbers. And look, this sign is closed from one side and open from another side. Open like a open mouth. And always remember that this open side shows the greater number. Here we have to write the greater number, and on this side we have to write the smaller number. Okay. Now, my dear students, look at the board. Here we have two pictures. And the both pictures are showing the flowers. Yes, in both pictures there are flowers. And now we have to count these flowers. Okay, 1, 2. In this picture there are 2 flowers. And in this picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many flowers? 5. Very good. 5 flowers. So which picture is showing the more objects? More means ज़्यादा. Very good. This picture is showing the more flowers, and this picture have less flowers, means कम flowers. So which number is showing the more objects? That number is greater than less objects number. Okay. दोनों में से जिस पिक्चर में more flower है means more flowers. How many are these? 5. And how many are these? 2. So these are more than that. Yes, इस पिक्चर में more flowers है and इसमें less. So the more number is greater always. This is greater number and this is smaller number. जो नंबर कम ऑब्जेक्ट्स को शो कर रहा है वो स्मॉलर है, and that number which is showing more flowers, more objects, that is greater number. Okay, clear? Again we will do it with number line. Here we have a number line starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here is a number line from number 0 to 9, and we have to compare in between two numbers that are 2 and 6. हमने इन दोनों numbers में comparison करना है कि which is greater and which is smaller number. So we have number 2 and 6, and here we have blank. Here we have to put the sign from these or these. इन दोनों signs में से कौन सा sign यहाँ आएगा, कैसे आएगा? So we have to find out that with this number line. Okay. Okay, in number line you have to see that which number is closer than 0, closer with 0, that is smaller number, and which is far from 0 is the greater number. Number line में जो number 0 के पास है, with that is जो 0 के पास है वो number smaller number है, and जो number 0 से far है means दूर है, that is greater number. So here we have two numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. So 2 is closer than 0. 0 के पास है, and 6 0 से दूर है. It is far from 0. So which is smaller number? 2. Very good. 2 is smaller number and 6 is greater number. Very good. Now we have to put the sign of comparison here. 2 is smaller number. So which sign we will use? The closer side of the sign is showing smaller number. जो close वाली side है वो कौन सा number show करती है? Small number. So small number कहाँ है? On which side? Here 2. तो 2 smaller number है तो हम इस side में close वाली side करेंगे. Okay? We have one more example now. We have 2 digits 6 and 1. So which digit is closer with from 0? 0 and 1 and 6. So 1 is near 0 and 6 is again far from 0. So here is the smaller number. So we will make a sign like this. Okay, understand? Clear? Very good. Now my dear students, bring out your notebooks quickly, very good, and mention the date and day on your notebooks. Date of today is 4/5/2021 and day is Tuesday. TUESDAY, Tuesday. And the topic is put the correct sign. Put the correct sign. Write the topic also in your notebooks. Put the correct sign. Correct sign means in 3 signs में से जो correct suitable sign है वो हमें लगाना है. Okay, these 2 signs, you know about these 2 signs, and this third sign is sign of equal. Equal means the 2 numbers, when the both numbers are same, then means these are equal. So we have to put this sign for the equal. Okay. For example, in these 2 pictures, now count them. 1, 2, 3. Here are 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. Here are again 3 apples. So now in both pictures the apples are in same quantity, 3 and 3. 3 and 3. So these are equal. Okay. Now you have you all write this in your notebooks? Yes? Ready? So now tell me that which sign we will put here. Which is the smaller number and which is the greater number? 2 and 4. Which number is closer to 0? 0 के near है. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 के बाद पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? 1, then 2, फिर 3 and 4. Means 2 is near 0 and 4 is far from 0. So 4 is the greater number and we will put the sign like this. Okay. Next is 3 and 9. 3 and 9. Which number shows the more objects? Which number will shows 9 or 3? कौन सा number more है और कौन सा less? 9 is more than 3. So again the 9 is greater number. So we will put the sign like this again. Okay. 8 and 1. Only one object, and again in another side we have 8 objects. So which are more? 8. So 8 is greater number. And we have to put the sign like this. Doing? Good. Okay, here are two numbers again for comparison. 4 and 4. 4 and 4. These are, which number is greater? Yes, very good. These are equal. So we will put the sign of equal here. Very good. आप सबको आ गया ना? 3 and 0. So which is greater number, 3 or 0? 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. 0 का meaning है nothing. So the 3 is greater from 0. So we will make this sign here. 2 and 6. One side we have 2 objects, 2 number, and the another side we have 6. So which are more? Yes, 6. Very good. So 6 is greater number. And 2 is smaller. Very good. 8 and 4. 8 and 4. Which is greater number? From 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have these all numbers now here on the board, and 4 you can see is near from 0 and 8 is far from 0. Yes, 8 तो बहुत बाद में आता है ना, 4 पहले आता है, means 4 is smaller number and 8 is greater number. Okay, 3 and 9. So which is greater and which is smaller? Which number shows the more objects is greater and which number is far from 0 is greater. Okay, and which number is near from 0 and showing less objects is smaller number. Okay, so the 3 is smaller number and 9 is greater number. Done? Okay, very good. Now my dear students, I hope you all have understand the topic of greater and smaller number. Now you all can do the comparison between two numbers. Yes? Okay, let's do the same with a different method again. We will do the comparisons again but with a different method. Okay? Here we have pictures of objects. Here we have put the sign and here are the pictures again. Okay. Can you guess what we are doing? Yes. Now we will count the objects and write the number in the boxes, and after then we will do the comparison here. Okay. So first of all we will count these flowers. 1, 2. How many are these? 2. Very good. Here we will write the number like this. These are triangles. 1, 2. How many? 2. Here are the pictures of mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mangoes. Now we will count these pictures. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many triangles? 5. And now count the mangoes. 1, 2. Only 2 mangoes. Now we have to do the comparison of these numbers. Okay. In first sum we have 2 and 3. Which numbers we have? 2 and 3. And the numbers are showing the objects here. Yes. And ma'am have already told you that the objects which are showing that number which is showing less object is a smaller number, and the number which is showing the more objects is a greater number. These flowers are more than these flowers. Yes, ये वाले flowers ज़्यादा हैं and these are less. So this is greater number, means 3 is greater number and 2 is smaller number. We will put the sign like this: open side front of greater number and the closer side with the at front of smaller number. In the next picture you can see there are more triangles and there are less triangles. So the 2 is smaller and 5 is greater number. Here are the mangoes and here are more mangoes and here are less mangoes. So 4 is greater than 2. 4 2 से greater है, बड़ा है. So we will put this sign. Okay, one more example. Here are kites. Okay, count them. 1 2 3, and here are 1 2 3. Both sides have the same number, means 3 and 3. The both numbers are same, means we have to put the sign of equal. Now my dear students, do this topic at your home. Bye bye, take care. We will meet in our next video. Okay, bye.